Hi everyone, follow me to collect my O-level results. As the presiding examiner was preparing us for our collection, we all felt a wave of anxiousness. Watching most of my friends and classmates' reactions getting their results was nerve-wracking for me. Finally, it was my turn to get my results. I felt a weird sense of excitement and stillness. And I just glanced at my results. A wave of relief washed over me. I got A1 for English! That was such a pleasant surprise for me. I never expected to score A1 for my English. I'm especially thankful to Writers at Work for helping me throughout my academic journey from P3 leading up to my O-levels. Being in WOW for 8 years is a testament to their innovative curriculum and supportive teachers, which were instrumental in securing my A for the real O-levels.
Hello, I'm Royston and I've been a WOW student for 7 years now. My experience in secondary school was filled with many memories, very fun memories of playing with my friends or even like talking during recess. But I think that secondary school is a time where students are actually be able to develop themselves and actually mold themselves into a very different person. So since Sec 1 to Sec 4, I've drastically transformed my character and who I am as a person. Yeah, so I think secondary school is 4 years of growth, it's 4 years of exploring yourself and 4 years of very fun memories. To be honest, my main study routine was actually studying during recess. So I would actually use my recess time to head to the library to actually work on my homeworks, my assignments, or do my own revision, either myself with a cup of coffee or with my friends. Then I would actually eat my meals during lunchtime lah. Yeah, I think that was the most effective habit for me from Monday to Friday to actually get in that 20-30 minutes of deep work to actually finish all my assignments before I head home. I would say take it easy. You have time, but the time is also limited. So I would say try to establish a good study routine for you to actually help you prepare and form a habit of actually studying. So be it whether you want to copy me and study during recess, lunchtime, or even immediately after you go home. But always set a consistent routine of at least 1 hour a day, and every single day, or at least Monday to Friday, during that 1 hour, you actually sit down and study. You can put on some AirPods, listen to some music, but make sure to put your phone on silent mode. I also think that relaxing is very important and to not burn yourself out. So I think that you should have some good habits, some good de-stress activities that you can always head to. Like for me, it's going to the gym. For you, it might be going to run, swimming, talking to friends, etc. So establish a consistent study routine and have some ways to relax. Thank you. Bye-bye.